Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Study Place. This is the first video of our Java tutorial. Today we will learn about the Java history. Okay, the C++, Java are called as the pillars in the programming language. C was developed in the 70s, C++ was developed in the 80s, and Java was developed in the 90s. So why will write the program? So why will use the programming? So program is used to write because we want to communicate to the system, so that whatever the work we want to perform, that has been done by the system of writing the program. That's why we will use the use the programming language. Okay, let's begin. Java is the pure means here complete. Pure means complete object programming language. So Java is the complete object oriented programming language. Means Java is pure means fully pure. It is means fully pure means full complete object oriented programming. Java is the full complete object oriented programming language. So why Java is pure object oriented programming language? Why not C++ and C? Let's see here. C is procedural oriented programming language. Yes, using all C concepts we had done C++, and using C++ concept we have done Java. Means let's understand through this diagram. Okay, C is procedural oriented programming language and it was developed in the 70s. C++ is object oriented programming language and procedural oriented programming language, and it was developed in the 80s. And Java is the pure object oriented programming language that is developed in 90s. C++ is object oriented, okay, but it is not pure object oriented. Okay, Java is pure object oriented. This is the difference. Okay, let's understand why these all are different. Okay, when we have developed C, that is called as procedural oriented programming language. When we were developing the C++, so we have taken the some features or some concepts of C. With that we have developed the C++. So the concepts of C are there in C++. So C++ couldn't become the pure or complete object oriented programming language. So that's why C++ had become the both. Both means object oriented programming language and procedural oriented language. Okay, till here you understand. So C++ had developed using C concepts, so that's why some concepts are remaining of C in the C++. So that's why it couldn't become the pure or complete object programming language. So the Java had taken the C++ only C++ features, not C features. Java has developed using only C++ concepts of features. That's why it is become the complete object oriented programming language. Okay, C is the procedural oriented language using C concepts. C++ has developed. So some C concepts are some C features are there in C++ remains. So some missing is there. That's why C++ couldn't become the pure or complete object oriented language. So in 90s Java has been developed. So Java has taken only C++ features, not C features, only C features or C concepts. With that Java has been developed. So Java is called as pure or complete object oriented programming language. Okay, we know that C was developed by Dennis Richard, and C++ was developed by Vajan Stonestrom. Okay, and Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, and Mike Sheridan. The three of them had developed the Java. If you can't remember the three names, you just remember the one name, that is James Gosling, because majority will take the James Gosling name only. But If you can remember the three names, it is better. Okay. Where did they developed the Java? At Sun Microsystem Incorporation. At Sun Microsystems Incorporation. In which year? In 1991. It took 18 months to develop the first working version. They took the 18 months to develop the first working version. Okay. The initial name was Oak. It was renamed to Java in 1995. Okay, when they have developed that programming language, that programming language name was Oak. Okay, name was Oak. Then afterwards they changed the name it to Java. Why they changed it to name Java? Why they didn't remain it as Oak? Let's see here. Because Oak was registered trademark of another tech company. Because the Oak name was registered by another tech company. That's why they have changed the name of that Oak to Java in 1995. But before that, that programming language name is Oak. Because of the Oak was registered by another tech company, that's why they have changed or renamed it to the Java in 1995. Okay, we know that friends, Java was came in 1990s. Now we are in 2022, so more than 30 years has been over. So still we are using Java. After the Java, many programming languages has came, but we are still using Java. Why? Because Java has been updated itself according to the technology, according to the time, or according to its whatever needs it needed. That's why it has been updated according to it. So if you want to stand, if you want to remain in a programming, that's why we should also develop, we should also update according to the technology and according to the time. Okay, this you have to remember. Let's go to the applications of Java. Java is widely used in every corner of the world of the human life. We know that Java is used in entire the world. Java is not only used in software but also used in designing hardware, controlling software components. Means if we want to run the hardware, we will write a software and we will put that software in the hardware, so that hardware will run by software. There are more than 930 million JRE downloads each year. Means there are 930 million downloads each year of JRE. What is this JRE? I'll explain in detail. Okay, don't worry. Based on, if I tell this full form means Java runtime environment, just you can understand this. I will tell in detail when I come to that concept. Okay, and 3 billion mobile phones run Java. I forget to put space here. Okay, after phones space run. So every year 3 mobile phones run Java. If you want to develop any Java application, then you must learn about the core Java. Okay, without core Java you can't develop application. So let's see some usage of Java. Developing desktop application. Yes, you can develop the desktop applications using core Java. Web applications like LinkedIn, Stampdeal.com. This LinkedIn is a .com and Stampdeal.com are the very famous websites. You have heard it already, and these are developed by Java itself. Okay, embedded systems. Embedded systems are nothing but, just now I told, if you want to run any kind of hardware, you will write a code, and then we will write a set of codes. We will write a codes that that program you will put in the hardware. That hardware is run by that software, and this is called embedded systems. And Java is also used in the robotic engineering and games development. Okay, and last is mobile operating system like Android. Okay, if you want to develop any kind of Android, or if you want to develop any kind of Android application, you must know the Java core. Without Java core, it is very difficult to develop the Android application. So this is about the Java history. So in the next video we will see about the features of Java. That video link is in the description. You can go and check it out. So thank you for watching this video till here. Please subscribe the channel Technical Study Place. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.